Hi, I'm Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist. I'd like to introduce you to my new listing at 620 Mangrove Point Rd on North Siesta Key. This prairie contemporary estate is absolutely fantastic and I can't wait to show it to you. The architecture style of this house is called Prairie Modern. It's an offshoot of Frank Lloyd Wright's architecture and came about in the early 20th century. Some of the features that you'd expect to find in a home like this are big open spaces, which really fits the way we like to live today. Also, you read a lot about fireplaces, which have a big presence, and this one is a keystone fireplace which matches the keystone entry, which is also really cool in how it's set off by the metal and glass doors. Not only is the contemporary style of this home completely fitting with what buyers are wanting in Sarasota's lifestyle today, the location is really what it's about. So you're on the north end of Siesta Key, which means easy access into Sarasota, and then jump on your boat, you're in deep water and easy access out to the bay.